Stop saying, parties are fun. That's Band 5. In this lesson, I'll give you 10 Band 8 words, then you'll use them in real answers. Don't just watch. Speak out loud. When you finish, comment party. Here's the method. Listen. Then you speak. Now, quick vocabulary for the IELTS Part 1, topic parties. I'll explain each word in very simple English and give you one example. Repeat after me. Get-together. A get-together is a small, friendly party. For example, it was a small get-together at my friend's place. Lively atmosphere. A lively atmosphere means fun energy in the room. For example, the party had a lively atmosphere. Mingle. To mingle means you move around and chat with different people. For example, I mingled and met some new people. Catch up. To catch up means you talk to friends you haven't seen for a long time. For example, I caught up with old friends. Low-key. Low-key means simple and not fancy. For example, it was a low-key party at home. Intimate gathering. An intimate gathering is small and cozy, with close people. For example, I prefer an intimate gathering with close friends. Overwhelming. Overwhelming means too loud or too much to handle. For example, big parties can feel overwhelming. Host. To host a party means you organize it, usually at your place. For example, my friend hosted the party at her apartment. Milestone celebration. A milestone celebration is a big, important event. For example, a wedding is a milestone celebration. Let my hair down. To let my hair down means to relax and enjoy yourself. For example, parties help me let my hair down after a busy week. Now your turn. Pick 2 words and say 2 sentences out loud. Now, time for some questions. Question number 1. Do you enjoy going to parties? If you want to say yes, here's a Band 8 sample answer. Listen first. Yes, I do, especially when it's a lively party with people I know. I like the energy, and it's a fun way to mingle and catch up with friends. It also helps me let my hair down after a busy week. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. Great. Now, if you want to answer no, here's a Band 8 sample answer. Listen first. Not really, to be honest. I find big parties a bit overwhelming, especially when it's noisy and crowded. I usually prefer a quiet night or a small, low-key get-together instead. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. Great. Question number 2. Do you like small or big parties? If you like small parties, here's a Band 8 sample answer. Listen first. I definitely prefer small parties. They feel more personal, and it's easier to have meaningful conversations. Big parties can be exciting, but I get tired quickly because they're noisy and crowded. Now it's your turn. Please repeat the answer. Great. That's my preference. How about you? Do you prefer small parties or big parties? Comment your answer and try to use one word from today's vocab list. For example, get together, lively atmosphere, mingle, catch up, low-key, intimate gathering, overwhelming, host, milestone celebration, or let my hair down. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more Band 8 speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.